Ar-Rahman, the most gracious. With the name of Allah, the most gracious, the ever merciful.
Ar-Rahman,
the most gracious God.
علم القرآن,
has taught this Quran.
خلق الإنسان,
he created human being.
علمه البيان,
and taught him the art of intelligent and distinct speech.
الشمس والقمر بحسبان,
the sun and the moon pursue their scheduled courses on their axis according to a fixed reckoning.
والنجم والشجر يسجدان,
and the stemless plants and the trees humbly submit to his will.
والسماء رفعها ووضع الميزان,
and he raised the heaven high and set up the law of harmony and balance.
ألا تطغوا في الميزان,
he explains this to you, that you should not violate the law of harmony and balance.
وأقيموا الوزن بالقسط ولا تخسروا الميزان.
Hold balance with justice, giving everyone his due, avoiding extremes, and do not disturb the law of harmony in the least.
والأرض وضعها للأنام,
and he has set the earth for common good of all his creatures.
فيها فاكهة والنخل ذات الأكمام,
in it there are all kinds of fruit and palm trees, laden with sheathed clusters.
والحب ذو العصف والريحان,
and the grains with the husk coverings and fragrant flowery plants.
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان.
Which of the benefactions of your Lord will you twain, believers and disbelievers, then deny?
خلق الإنسان من صلصال كالفخار.
He created human being from the essence extracted from dry wringing clay, like a piece of baked pottery, with the faculty of speech and possessing pliant and submissive nature.
وخلق الجان من مارج من نار.
And he created the jinn from a flame of fire, possessing fiery nature.
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان.
Which of the benefactions of your Lord will you twain then deny?
رب المشرقين ورب المغربين.
He is the Lord of the two east and Lord of the two west.
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان.
Which of the benefactions of your Lord will you twain then deny?
مرج البحرين يلتقيان.
He has let the two bodies of water flow freely. They will one day join together.
بينهما برزخ لا يبغيان.
At present, a barrier stands between them. They cannot encroach one upon the other.
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان.
Which of the benefactions of your Lord will you twain then deny?
يخرج منهما اللؤلؤ والمرجان
Pearls and corals come out of both these seas.
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان
Which of the benefactions of your Lord will you twain then deny?
وله الجوار المنشآت في البحر كالأعلام
And to him belong these ships, raised aloft in the sea like mountain peaks.
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان
Which of the benefactions of your Lord will you twain then deny?
كل من عليها فان
All that is on it is subject to decay and doomed to pass away.
ويبقى وجه ربك ذو الجلال والإكرام
But only the majesty of your Lord, and that which is under the care of your Lord, the Lord of glory and honor, endures forever.
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان
Which of the benefactions of your Lord will you twain then deny?
يسأله من في السماوات والأرض كل يوم هو في شأن
All of the rational beings that are in the heavens and on the earth do beg of him. Every moment he manifests himself in a new state of glory.
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان
Which of the benefactions of your Lord will you twain then deny?
سنفرغ لكم أيها الثقلان
We shall reckon with you, O you two big groups of the righteous and the rebellious.
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان
Which of the benefactions of your Lord will you twain then deny?
يا معشر الجن والإنس إن استطعتم أن تنفذوا من أقطار السماوات والأرض فانفذوا لا تنفذون إلا بسلطان
O body of the jinn, the fiery-natured, and the ordinary people, if you have the power and the capacity to go beyond the confines of the heavens and the earth, then do go. But you will not be able to go unless you have the necessary and unusual power.
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان
Which of the benefactions of your Lord will you twain then deny?
يرسل عليكما شواظ من نار ونحاس فلا تنتصران
Flames of fire, smoke, and molten copper will be let loose upon you, and you will not be able to defend yourselves.
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان
Which of the benefactions of your Lord will you twain then deny?
فإذا انشقت السماء فكانت وردة كالدهان
And when the heaven splits up and turns crimson like red hide, how will you fare then?
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان
Which of the benefactions of your Lord will you twain then deny?
فيومئذ لا يسأل عن ذنبه إنس ولا جان.
On that day, none of people nor of jinn will be questioned about his sin.
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان.
Which of the benefactions of your Lord will you twain then deny?
يعرف المجرمون بسيماهم فيؤخذ بالنواصي والأقدام.
The guilty will be known by their appearance and the expressions on their faces. Then they will be seized by their forelocks and the feet.
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان.
Which of the benefactions of your Lord will you twain then deny?
هذه جهنم التي يكذب بها المجرمون.
They will be told, this is the Gehenna that the guilty have cried lies to.
يطوفون بينها وبين حميم آن.
They will take turns restlessly between it, the hellfire, and boiling hot liquid.
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان.
Which of the benefactions of your Lord will you twain then deny?
ولمن خاف مقام ربه جنتان.
There are two gardens of bliss, here and the hereafter, for such as fear the time when they will stand before the judgment seat of their Lord to account for their deeds.
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان.
Which of the benefactions of your Lord will you twain then deny?
ذواتا أفنان.
Both the gardens of paradise are abounding in varieties of trees and rich greenery, accompanied with delightful comforts.
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان.
Which of the benefactions of your Lord will you twain then deny?
فيهما عينان تجريان.
There are two springs flowing free in each of them.
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان.
Which of the benefactions of your Lord will you twain then deny?
فيهما من كل فاكهة زوجان.
In both of these gardens, there are fruit of all kinds in two varieties.
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان.
Which of the benefactions of your Lord will you twain then deny?
متكئين على فرش بطائنها من استبرق وجنى الجنتين دان.
They, the owners of paradise, will be reclining on couches over carpets, the linings of which will be of thick brocade, and the ripe fruit of both the gardens will be bending so low as to be within their easy reach to pluck.
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان.
Which of the benefactions of your Lord will you twain then deny?
فيهن قاصرات الطرف لم يطمثهن إنس قبلهم ولا جان.
There they shall have chaste and modest maidens, restraining their glances to look at them only, whom in this state neither man nor jinn has ever touched before them.
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان
Which of the benefactions of your Lord will you twain then deny?
كأنهن الياقوت والمرجان
These maidens will look as if they were made of rubies and small pearls.
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان
Which of the benefactions of your Lord will you twain then deny?
هل جزاء الإحسان إلا الإحسان
Goodness alone is the reward of goodness.
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان
Which of the benefactions of your Lord will you twain then deny?
ومن دونهما جنتان
And besides these two paradises, there are two other gardens.
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان
Which of the benefactions of your Lord will you twain then deny?
مدهامتان
Both of them are dark green with thick foliage.
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان
Which of the benefactions of your Lord will you twain then deny?
فيهما عينان نضاختان
Both of these two have two springs gushing forth.
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان
Which of the benefactions of your Lord will you twain then deny?
فيهما فاكهة ونخل ورمان
Both of these two have all kinds of fruit and dates and pomegranates.
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان
Which of the benefactions of your Lord will you twain then deny?
فيهن خيرات حسان
Therein will be maidens pious and beautiful.
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان
Which of the benefactions of your Lord will you twain then deny?
حور مقصورات في الخيام
Pure and chaste houris, confined to their goodly pavilions, enjoying the shade of God's mercy.
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان
Which of the benefactions of your Lord will you twain then deny?
لم يطمثهن إنس قبلهم ولا جان
Whom neither man nor jinn has ever touched before them in this state.
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان
Which of the benefactions of your Lord will you twain then deny?
متكئين على رفرف خضر وعبقري حسان
The owners of paradise will be reclining on green cushions and rich carpets of lovely beauty.
فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان
Which of the benefactions of your Lord will you twain then deny?
تبارك اسم ربك ذي الجلال والإكرام.
Blessed be the name of your Lord, the Master of glory and honor.